very good afternoon to all of you, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you so much for being here. It gives me immense pleasure and pride to present to you our latest offering in the compact segment, the Hyundai Grand, a stylish and practical car that is sporty, dynamic, and innovative. It differentiates itself with its rich specification, brilliant packaging, and advanced performance. So friends, before I share the product highlights of Grand, I would like to throw some light on the compact segment market trend. The compact segment is divided into three sub-segments: the compact low, compact mid, compact high segment. Over the last 3 years, the contribution of compact high segment has been continuously growing, owing to a number of new model launches. In view of the changing market dynamics, the compact high segment is further divided into two subsegments: the compact high entry and the compact high premium, with compact high entry almost contributing to 69% of the total high compact volumes. While Hyundai has strong presence in compact mid segment with i10 and Santro, and with i20 in the compact high premium segment, it has no presence in the growing compact high entry segment. With the launch of Grand, Hyundai would mark its entry into the growing compact high entry segment. The launch of Grand has filled in the product need gap between i10 and i20 with its smart positioning to attract the buyers of growing high compact entry segment. Inspired by Hyundai's globally acclaimed fluidic structure design theme, the design concept of Grand boasts of upscale exteriors with sporty and dynamic appeal, while the interiors are designed to give a wide sense of space with quality interiors. What's our target customer profile? The Grand, with its strong product attributes, is sure to captivate wide demographic backgrounds. The key customer imagery is young achievers around 25 to 35 years of age. Some of the key buying factors, style and practicality, are among the key purchase factors of the compact high entry segment, and Grand promises to impress the customers with its style, fuel efficient powertrain, spacious interiors, and feature richness. With the looks and appeal of Grand that makes it so noticeable on the road, its product imagery is seen as a dynamic, innovative, and fun to drive car projecting youthful and progressive image. At Hyundai, we believe in making cars to suit the customers and taste, and Grand is no exception. It's a global product based on completely new platform with new powertrain, however designed and developed keeping in mind the specific needs of Indian consumers. Just to highlight some of the India-specific developments, what we have got in this car: our need for space, our Indians' need for space. The Grand is dimensionally superior to its European counterpart and offers longer wheelbase and larger overall length to provide higher cabin space and generous legroom for the occupants, especially at the rear.